amazing.
And it comes in different colors.
So you can choose your color, because it takes really nice pictures and it's so amazing. The brightness is so good.
Yeah, the brightness, how it takes. So good. Liana, I see you. Ah, hello.
Like about 5 or 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we?
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be showing you how to do some camera drum roll.
So we are going to be doing photography. So we are going to be taking pictures of each other, and we are going to be showing you guys all of the things that come with the camera and all of the like buttons and things. So without further ado, let's get started on this video. So this is the camera here, guys. It has lots of different buttons and it's so cool. So the first thing is this light. When you take the camera, the light flashes, and this is the button. So when you want to take a picture, then this is the button that you click for it to take. And this is the button that, so when you want to take a picture, this thing comes up.
And you can see the red light.
And this is where the film comes out. Because it's an automatic camera.
It takes nice pictures.
And the best thing about this camera is it takes so nice pictures. You guys won't resist it, and you can take it anywhere with you without breaking it. It takes so nice pictures, and you guys can always see your memories, all of the things that you've done back from the past.
And you can always remember, you can always see the rides you went, so then you can go to that ride. You can look at that picture, guys. Just look at that picture so you can get that ride. Yeah, just look at it.
And you can always see your memories from the past. You can always remember what you have done from the past and just enjoy it.
Yeah, just enjoy.
And this is the photo album. So after you have your Fujifilm, you have to put it inside this photo album like this, so you can remember all of the things that you've done. And yeah, so it's kind of like a little album.
And this is where you to put the camera. So if you don't want to hold it, you can put it inside here. You can open it, and then you can use the camera's thing, so then you can use it to take the picture. Like you can like pretend you can use it, like, so you can use the camera, you can do this, and then you can take that picture. That's an easy way to do it. But if you want to be like natural, know how to do a real photo, so you should just do it like this, so you don't have to use your hands to do anything, so your hands can be freedom.
So when you want to take your camera out, then you can always put it inside this bag, so that you don't have to just carry it with your hands, because your hands are going to be hurting you. So you can take it out for like traveling, or when you're going out and you just want to take a picture or something, then you can always take it out with you and take that picture.
Yeah, take that nice picture.
And me and Elise are going to be showing you guys how to take the picture and how good this camera is.
Yeah, we see that one. We are got your eyes on you.
So pose, Elise. I'm going to take a picture now. Don't forget to press this button. Smile. And you have to wait for like 2 minutes for it to dry, and then it'll be all ready. So, another picture, Elise.
Okay.
Smile. So it's an automatic camera. Whoa, this is so amazing.
It came already. That's so fast. Now I have my own. And it says my unicorn.
Look at it. It's kind of forming.
Oh, it's forming. All three of them are forming. This one's turning out great. They're drying so fast.
I know, right?
Yeah. This one is where I put my bracelet. This one is the empty bracelet.
So now it's your turn to take a picture of me, Elise.
Okay. Okay, I have to see you.
Press this button.
I can wait. I almost saw you.
Another one.
These are all of 4 of our pictures. We have Liana's, mine, Liana's. So it's equal and fair. 4 for each of us. That makes a big hole. That's 4. 4.
So what's the best thing about this camera is that it's automatic and it takes so nice pictures. You guys won't resist it. So please make sure that you get this camera at one of the stores because this camera is amazing.
And it comes in different colors.
So you can choose your color because it takes really nice pictures and it's so amazing. The brightness is so good.
Yeah, the brightness, how it takes. So good. Liana, I see you. Ah, hello.
So that's all of the pictures that we've taken, guys. And after they have all dried, then we have to put them inside this photo album.
Liana, you mean they all dried? But this one, it's not that properly dry. So, but all 3 of these ones are dry. Now we just have to wait. Or is it coming? We have to have the foreskin.
Guys, make sure that they're fully dry or else if you put them in the photo album and if they have not dried yet, then they'll just smudge up all together and it won't be nice. So you have to wait for them to all dry for like about 5 or 2 minutes.
Yeah, because it dries so fast. Now we just have to... I love all these pictures. All these pictures are amazing.
Look at the brightness, guys. It's so amazing.
Yeah, look at the door. Look at Liana. So cute. Look at... Or did you take yourself? Because I think I maybe took your picture. Yeah, I took your picture. I did. You took 2 for me and I took 2 for you. I took that one and that one. That one you were wearing your sunglasses. That one you weren't. So that's the difference about Liana's. And mine.
So I think that they have all dried. So now we're gonna put them inside this INSTAX photo album.
So I'm gonna be putting mine. You're gonna be putting yours. So it can be fair. Okay?
You put yours inside first, and then I'll put mine inside.
1. I'll pick one for you.
So you just have to slide them in, guys.
It's slidey.
And that's how it looks like.
Another one. Another one.
Slide it through. No, inside here.
Okay. You're going in to not leave. Slide you in. You take that one. I don't know.
And slide in.
Now we have lots of pictures. And Slide, go join your friend, Slidey. Go join your friendly release. So, I'll open you up. We're gonna keep you safe. And we slide you in. Okay. Slide.
And that's how your photo album will look like. All of your memories that have happened in the past, you can always remember them inside this photo album and just enjoy how much fun you have had in the past.
And
yeah,
don't forget, it's amazing. It is amazing. Amazing.
very cool and impressive.
Subscribe, please like our video, and don't forget to please share it out with the whole world. Just please.
And please hit that notification so you don't miss any more of our videos, and so that you get notified every single time we post a video. And please follow us on Instagram. It's called the Abexis.
If we can do it, you can do it. Please.
That's all of the things
That you need to take the picture.
We hope that you've enjoyed this video.
Please subscribe. Please subscribe.
So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and please hit that notification button, and please like this video, and please share it. Bye guys.
Bye.